Hi there. In this tutorial, I will be drawing this crocodile from the book Zoo Zen, a yoga story for kids. Now you can either draw along with me or watch me draw. Either way, I'm excited to get started. I usually start with a sketch. And with the sketch, I define the triangle shape of the head. And then I put a light line down where the back meets the tail. It's kind of like one big shape, and some lines to indicate where the claws and the feet are gonna go. Next, I'm gonna make the outline of my sketch a little more clear. So for my next step, I'm gonna go and draw out the outline thick. So I'm gonna start again with the head. I'm gonna make a little hard nose. And of course, he needs that famous crocodile grin. Then I move down the back. The back and the tail is kind of one continuous twisted shape. And I add in those claws that are good for both digging and swimming. Put the little ridge down the back, and then I move on to the details. First, I'm gonna do the scales down the ridge. And then I'm gonna continue the swirl pattern that I have in the original illustration. So, there you have it. And for more tutorials or free coloring pages, please visit my website. Happy drawing!